Hi everyone, Sajan Varghese here from plrhouse.org. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom e-cover for your ebook using Canva. Designing a unique cover is one of the easiest ways to make your ebook looks professional and branded, right? But before we jump in, let me give you a quick piece of advice from my own experience. Don't waste too much time trying to make your e-cover absolutely perfect. When I was just starting out, I was a bit of a perfectionist. I would tweak every little details for hours, and guess what? It just ended up delaying my projects and my progress. So, here is what I have learned. Your e-cover should look good, but it doesn't have to be perfect. If you find yourself spending too much time on it or you're not satisfied with your own designs, don't stress. Just outsource it. You can find amazing designers on Fiverr for under 10 bucks who can create professional e-cover quickly, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, that is growing your business, right? All right, with that little tip out of the way, let's dive in and I will show you how easy to make a simple eye-catching e-cover using Canva. Let me share my screen. Okay, we are in Canva. First things first, head over to canva.com. In the search bar, here, just type cover. Okay, then press enter. You will see a lot of templates. Just click on Canva templates. Okay, and at the time of recording this video, Canva has around 2,300 ebook cover templates across different niches. Whether your ebook is about self-help, fitness, or making money online, whatever your niche has, you will find something to match here. Okay, I recommend choosing a template with an image placeholder like this, that you can easily replace that image with your own image. As you browse through the templates, you will notice that some of them are marked Pro. As you can see, it is marked as Pro here also, which means they required a paid Canva subscription. You can easily spot this by looking for the small crown icon on the image. If you go through, if you can see this, you can see the crown icon on some templates here. That means you should have a pro account to use that pro template. But don't worry, there are plenty of free options available too, and they are just as great for creating an eye-catching e-cover. So keep an eye out for the crown icon to know with what is free and what is pro. Okay, let's go ahead and pick one that we can customize. As we are going to create an ebook cover for, I'm thinking of creating an e-cover for the ebook, The Art of Letting Go. Okay, and that is the case, I choose an ebook template that is little similar like what I want. So once you have selected the template, click on it as I did just now. Then you can hit customize this template. Before you do that, I can give you a quick tip. If you scroll down a bit like this, you will see an option called more like this. Okay, like this. Okay. This shows similar templates with matching style, as you can see here. This is similar to the template what we have chosen. If you change your mind or spot something that really stands out, you can easily switch to another template. Okay, it is a great way to explore other designs options without starting over. For example, let's say I spot this cover, okay, and I like it even more than the one I choose earlier. No problem. I can simply click on this new cover like this, and as you can see, the old cover that is gone. Instead of that, a new cover is selected. Then it will be automatically selected, right? Then just customize this template like this, and we are ready to start editing with our new choice. This option, as I told you, makes it super flexible to find the perfect design without going back to the square one, right? Now we are in the Canva editor where we can make all the changes to match our brand. So start by editing the text. Okay, let's say you are working on an ebook called The Art of Letting Go, as I do. Just double click on the text. Okay, and here is the text. Instead of breaking boundaries, I can type my ebook name. In this case, that is The Art of Letting Go. Okay, as you can see how simple it is to edit your ebook title. If you are not happy with the size, you can simply drag on the left so that the font size will be decreased. You can do this if you can decrease the font size also by going on the top. Here you can change, just highlight this part. For example, right now the font size is 43.6. I want to reduce the font size. I can decrease the font size by simply clicking the uh, negative sign here, so it will decrease. If I want to increase the font, I can just increase the font size by clicking the plus sign here, as you can see. Or I can manually type my font size. For example, instead of 41.6, I want 35. Just I can put that number in that column and just put enter. Okay. That way you can simply edit your text. Whatever text here, you can edit in that way. Okay. And here is the key tip. As you move the text around like this, you can see a red line appearing, right? On the horizontal and the vertical way. That means that will save you a lot of time to figure out which one is the sender. So is this both red lines are there, that means the text is in the perfect center. Okay, it shows you exactly where the center is, so you can keep your design balanced without any guesswork. Just keep an eye out of for the red line to make sure everything is aligned nicely. So you can also adjust the size of any background elements or rectangles here. Simply click and drag to resize or reposition it. This is great for making sure the title and design elements are aligned and visually appealing, right? Now, if you want to delete any part of the text or design, it is super easy. For example, let's say I don't want these chords here, okay? You can just select the chord like this and just click the delete button and that is gone. For example, I don't want these stars also. Just click the star icon and click delete on your keyboard and it's gone. So as you can see, it is very easy to customize the template. So let's say replace this template or this image or the background image with something relevant to our topic, right? Even though this image is okay for this title, I want to replace this image with another image. One of my favorite free source is pexels.com. As you can see, pexels.com, where you can find a lot of royalty free images. You can freely use it in your project. Okay. So just go to pexels.com. In this case, as we are creating an ebook titled The Art of Letting Go, we are in the photo section here, let's see whether I can find something that suits with that title, Letting Go. Okay, and just put enter. And as you can see, there are a lot of images. You can use it, royalty free images. So you don't want to attribute to anything or any sites. It is free to use. These are all copyright free images. Let's say I like this image to be used in my ebook cover, I can simply click this icon to download it. So I press download and now it is downloaded, okay? And then you can go to Canva, okay? Go to Canva and upload that image you copied right now. In my case, it is in the download area of my computer. I found it here. I double click and that image that we just downloaded from pexels.com, it is in the media library of Canva now. So you can see it is already here. I want to, for example, I want to replace this image with another image. So what I did was just click on that image icon and I press delete button. So it is gone. Okay. Likewise, you can delete, or if you want to go back to the previous position, if you want to undo the action, just press Ctrl Z on your keyboard and it will come back. Okay. So I just want to replace this image with the one we have downloaded from pexels.com. So I delete this image and I will drag this image to this canvas. As you can see, the new image is here now. And if it is not fit fully as per the size of the ebook cover, don't worry. You can just right click here and press replace background. Now, as you can see, the new image has been inserted in this ebook cover. Now, let's fine tune the colors to really make this cover reflect your brand. Now, click on any shape or text element like this. And on the top here, you can see the text color. You can choose whatever color you like. For example, if your brand color is green, you can select the green color here. Whatever color you like, you can choose it from here simply by choosing the color. In that case, let me make this color as green. Okay, just highlight this text and click green. Okay, as you can see, the text color has been changed to green. Likewise, let me change this color. Let me give this part a different color. For example, I want to choose red. You can simply click on red. And as you can see, the text color has been changed to red. Likewise, here, let me put my name as the author, Sajan Varugis. Okay. And I want my name to be appeared in one line. So in that case, I can just drag this rectangle like this. So as you can see, my name is appearing in one line now. And I want to make sure this is centered. As I have explained earlier, just make sure, see whether the red line appears, and that is the area, that is when you know that is centered. Okay, now it is centered. All right. If I want to change the color of the font, I can simply highlight the text and go to the color, text color, and choose whatever color I like. For example, I want magenta. I can choose that. That is not suiting with this background color. So let me make it white. Okay. Likewise, play around. And now let's say I want to remove the background from this image to make it blend seamlessly into the design. Canva has a really handy tool for this, but it does require a pro account. To use it, I will select the image like this. Okay. And you will see an option called background remover. Okay. When I click it, Canva will automatically detect and remove the background. Let me show you how. Okay. In just one click, the image has been removed. And if you want to go back, you can either press the undo button here. If you want to cancel any action that you have just done, you can go back to the previous action just clicking the undo button here, or Control Z in your keyboard. Okay. So as you have seen how easy is to edit anything in Canva. So if you are using Canva Pro, definitely take advantage of this tool. It's a huge time saver for creating clean, professional looking designs. Okay. To add even more customization, let's try adding a small logo. For example, I want to add my logo in this ebook cover. That is very simple. As I have shown earlier, you can upload your logo from your computer to the Canva media file. For example, in my case, I already have my logo here. I already downloaded my logo from my computer to the media library here. So in that case, if I want to add my logo in this ebook cover, it is very simple. Just drag my logo and put it here. And you can reduce the size just dragging like this. And you can move this image to anywhere, top, right, left, bottom. It is very simple. Okay. And this is how you can add your logo into this ebook cover. So as you have seen, Canva makes it easy to personalize covers. So don't hesitate to experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts to find the perfect look for your audience. So if you are looking for high quality PLR to get started, check out the full range of our PLR products at plrhouse.org. Thanks for watching and happy designing.